everybody? Welcome to Oil and Gears. One of the issues I want to talk about today is why does my Scion idle really hard, or even when I turn it on? One of the problems that I experienced myself, now could just be one of the problems, is when I changed my air filter, I forgot to hook up one of the hoses. It could be two hoses here that I can see, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the car on and unplug one of the hoses and show you what I'm talking about. So now that we have the Scion on, I'm going to unplug one of the hoses. So when I plug it back in, everything is fine. But when I drove it, this was the hose that was making the problem. I would stop and the car would idle really hard. So there you have it. Make sure whenever you change your air filter that you check all the hoses and they're connected. What's going on, everybody? So I just bought some rims for the Scion XB. Now the center bore is 54 millimeters. The rims that I have has a center bore of 67 millimeters, and it's 4 lugs. So whenever you buy rims, make sure that you buy these rings, because you want to make sure that the rims are hub centric. What that means is, if you don't have these rings and it's a different size from the center of the bore, it's gonna shake and wobble and it'll be lug centric. That means the rim is gonna be sitting on the lugs only. So if you buy these rings, so my rims are 67 millimeters, this is 54 here, just like that. They're about 10 bucks. It'll make it hub centric. See you on the flip side. Peace.